Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain BCAA safety and benefits. We'll cover what BCAA are, their role in muscle health, and general safety guidelines. Understanding proper dosage is key to avoiding adverse effects. We'll also discuss potential risks associated with very high consumption. This information will help you make informed decisions about BCAA supplementation. While generally safe, high doses of BCAA can sometimes lead to side effects. These might include fatigue or a temporary loss of coordination. Some users report mild digestive upset, such as nausea. It's also important to note that BCAA can interact with certain medications, so always check with your healthcare provider, especially if you have existing health conditions. When considering BCAA, it's helpful to compare them with whole protein sources. Whole proteins like chicken or eggs offer a complete spectrum of amino acids, including BCAA, plus other vital nutrients. BCAA, on the other hand, provide a concentrated dose of the 3 key amino acids for muscle support. Your choice depends on your specific fitness and nutritional needs. To maximize benefits and ensure safety, adhere to recommended BCAA dosages, usually between 5 and 10 grams per day. Timing your intake around workouts can be particularly effective. Remember, supplements should complement a balanced diet, not replace whole foods. Always consult a healthcare professional before adding any new supplement to your regimen, especially if you have underlying health concerns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.